Yung cellphone holder na katulad ni Tami dito niya nakuha. So, let's see. Alam ko naman, uy, pahitulon lang ako pag okay, matulon-tulon. Iba-iba kasi tayo. Hindi talaga ako naniniwala sa ano lang yan. Gabi na guys. Tignan mo. Naglalaro pa.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning. Today is Thursday. So, plano ko pumunta sana sa isang bahay ngayon as in sobrang aga sana. Dahil I want to be with Tami and also dadalhin ko yung biyanan ko dito sa bahay. Kaso lang, yung order na hinihintay ko na in-order ni Tami na ako dito ang maghintay, hindi dumating kagabi. So, kagabi sana kami naghintay. O, kagabi sana yan darating dito. Kaso, hindi dumating guys. Pero hintayin ko until makarating dito, ma-deliver. Kasi, importante kasi, pang-isno yun. Kunin ko sana yung biyanan ko para ihatid sa bahay ng anak niyang babae, kapatid ni Tami. So, yun. Ihatid ko sana doon. No one can pick her up to bring to their house. And it's going to snow. So, mag-i-snow nga yung araw na ngayon, Thursday. And then, mag-start daw ng mga 1 o'clock, guys. And then, mag-uulan din tonight until Friday morning. Yeah, until tomorrow morning. So, yun. So, slushy. It's kind of icy, slushy. So, that means it's really dangerous to drive. Okay, I'm going. You guys, the two of you, watch the TV and enjoy. Okay? You enjoy the TV, okay? The TV is on. So, the two of you need to watch, okay? Behave yourself. And if people coming in, bite them in the ankle. And bite them in the face. What? Okay? And, yeah, so that's it. I will be right back. Watch the TV. It's about the judges over there. Okay, you watch it. Where is my shoes? Oh my god, I'm gonna go outside and I'm gonna go out and get some grocery and wear this big dada shoes. Roxy, it doesn't mean that you have to go uyot eh. Tignan nyo, excite tuloy. Hindi ko na kayo ilagay sa mount kasi dadalhin ko lang kayo and then I'm just gonna listen music.
Bang, 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 bang.
It's snowing little. Ito na naman tayo sa Big Lots. Andito pa rin yung Christmas tree. Oh, 184? Hala, 184. Hindi pa ito mahuhulog itong mga puti niya. Anyway, 184. Oh my god. Andito pa rin. Ang ganda naman. Ganda, oh. $4. $4 siya, guys. Ito. Ang ganda. Anyway, punta tayo dito. Ganap ako ng cellphone holder pala. So, yung cellphone holder na katulad ni Tami dito niya nakuha. So, let's see. Dito. Hindi man ito cellphone holder. Oy. Meron silang cellphone holder. Charger man yan. Wala sila, guys. Wala. Nope. Wala sila. Coffee. Ito yung coffee na gusto nila. Okay guys, tapos na ako dito guys. Yan, ilang ko lang itong sasakyan. And yun, tapos na ako dito. Bumili lang ako ng coffee. Dalawa sanang coffee. Isa lang yung meron sila. Yung French toast na gusto ng biyanan ko at ng Tami. So yun. So isa lang yung binili ko. And yan. Bili lang ako pang mukbang at saka pang film ko. Doon sa KFC. So yun. Okay. I'm going home. And it's the rain. It says yung ano daw, yung ulan. Lalakas daw yung ulan, snow, mga 7 inches daw. So, tumataas na yung snow chances na as in tumaas na yung snow. I kept the receipt for tax. thing. And yun, uwi na ako. And ano ba yung... Okay, uwi na ako. Hi guys, I am home. I wait for like 40 minutes sa Flaming Grill kasi open sila 11. So yun, so I'm gonna have lunch, which is I'm going to film this. And I'm thinking which one I'm going to, like I'm going to eat it while it's hot. Film it while it's hot. As usual here. This is the usual thing, guys. My little boy is not gonna leave me always. Abli pala ito. So he park his body all the time beside me, on top of me, or in the other side. Nag-edit ako nitong sa pagkain ko, guys, is ASMR sa isang channel ko. So yun. Natawa lang ako dahil sa nag-comment. May nag-comment kasi na ano, sabi pa sa nag-comment, palagi ka lang kumakain, hindi mo pa inuusap. Hindi ko yaw ngiyunguya. Alam ko naman, uy, pahitulon lang ako pag okay, matulon-tulon. Iba-iba kasi tayo. Palagi akong kumakain. Kumakain ako 3 beses isang araw. Ilan ba dapat kumain tayong mga Pinoy? Di ba? 3. Lahat naman tayo kumakain 3. Lahat ng tao sa Pilipinas or lahat ng tao sa mundo kumakain 3 beses isang araw. Kaluka talaga itong mga taong mag-comment. Kaluka. Parang hindi sila kumakain sa buhay nila ba? But anyway, so yun lang balita ko, guys. Tumawag si Tammy and sabi pa niya nag-snow na daw doon. Sabi ko, nag-snow na doon. Dito wala pa. Kalukuhan naman ito. What? Na mag-snow na, guys, hindi ko pa nilinis yung labas. Kailangan kasi linisin yung labas. Kasi yung mga dahon ando, no? Kailangan kong i-leaf blower ko or i-padaganan ko, patakbuhin ko yung lawnmower para i-pick up yung grass kasi mayroong bagging, di ba? Yung lawnmower naman may bag, pang pick up sa grass. Kaso, wala ako sa mood. Pabayaan na lang yan, guys. Mawala naman yan. Malata naman yan. Let's turn the fireplace. Fireplace. Ano ba ito? Paano ba ito? It's snowing already in the city. It's supposedly be here. Snowing first. Pero now sa city. We have to move this a little bit that it won't the heat. Yung mga minions natin Santa Claus, hindi talaga ako naniniwala sa Santa Claus. Ano lang yan, mga story lang yan. Sabi pa nila Santa Claus daw totoo. Hindi man yan totoo eh. Mga joke lang man yan. Mga pang ano sa mga old stories. Na-miss ko na tong filming room ko. Hindi na ako nag-spend time doon. Kasi ano kasi, parang kakaiba kasi doon sa filming room ko ngayong pag winter na. Parang hindi masyadong maganda yung temperature doon. Parang hindi yun ang init sa bahay. Yung ano namin, parang hindi ko ma-feel doon. Hindi naman din sobrang ginaw. Parang iba lang talaga siya. Parang hindi siya lumalabas yung talagang init. Let's take a picture. Roxy, come here. Sit here. Come here, Misty. Come. Sit. Come here. Right here, Misty. Sit here. Sit. 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 Roxy, sit. Come here, Roxy. Sit. Let's take a picture here. You sit down. Tignan nyo. Come here. Sit down. We have to take a picture. Okay, you go over there. I will take a picture. Go over there. Come here. Sit. Sit down. Right here. Sit. Sit. Come here. Sit down. Sit down. Misty, sit. Sit down, Misty. Sit down. Come here. Come right here. Right here. Sit down. Roxy, too. Down. Roxy, look at me. No. Itong dalawa, ang hirap picturean. Roxy, don't be... Roxy? Roxy, I'm going to take a picture of you. Why you turn your back and you give me a bad look? Roxy, turn around. Sit. You sit down. Ang pangit naman ninyo. Ang pangit! Ang papapapangit ninyo! Okay, come here. Come here, we take a picture. Come here, Misty Roxy. Roxy, get up. Don't be lazy. Get up, come here. We're taking picture here. Hi. Say hi to everyone. Hi. It's hard, guys. Right? Hello, guys. The snow is really heavy na, guys. Oh, tignan nyo, guys. Oh, the snow. Oh. I-on natin ang light dito, guys. Kasi ano na. Ang snow, ang kalas lakas. Look, oh, sus, dito tayo sa ano, dito tayo sa backyard. Tignan natin sa backyard. Grabe, guys, ang snow, oh. Paborito ni Roxy, oh. Oh, sparkle. Hala ka, guys, tignan mo. It's snowy out, baby. It's snowy out, baby. It's snowy out, baby. Look at this, guys. Snow plus the Christmas tree is so pretty with the dog. I remember 5 years ago, I think, in October we have a snowstorm. Grabe yung snowstorm na yun. October pa yun, ha? Grabe. Is the two of you want to go out? Hello. Hello. Don't go far. Don't go far. Look, Roxy's favorite thing. Snow. Favorito ni Roxy is snow thing. Mistis doesn't like it. Snow thing. Snow. You wanna come in? Oh, look at this. Happy. Kakainin nilang snow. Look, she's so happy. She's so happy. Look, tignan nyo. Tignan nyo yun, oh. Oh. Ganyan yan. Hindi na natin makikita. Ito yung nakakasad. Hindi ko na makikita anong ginawa. Hala, ay, ang ginaw, ay. Ang ginaw. What else going on over there?
Like I said, I'm just throwing out 4 cups so that I can cook them.
Okay. Me, I'm just trying to look for something to give to the dogs. You know, something like that. You're busy something, so do you want to talk to you later?
I'm just throwing out meat. I'm really not doing anything else. I had to break it apart, so it apart, so I had to let a little bit throw out some hot water and then I could break them so I could put them in a pot.
So is it really bad snow when you're driving, I guess? Back?
Very icy.
Yeah. I was thinking of driving over there now. The snow over here is crazy.
It would take you hours to get here. I mean hours.
If I'm safe, if I don't have accident.
It took me an hour to go a 12-minute ride. More than an hour, like an hour and 10 minutes to do a 12-minute ride.
Yeah. So I will be there like 5 hours if I drive very slow and I'm not in accident.
There's more accidents, more crap, nothing moving. The highways are dead, everything is dead.
I'm going out. I'm going to put this hoodie thing, right, Rox? And then I'll put this boots. Na boots naman noon ni ay. Boots, oy! Boots. Naloy. Okay guys, I'm going out guys. See you later. I-film ko lang sila sa cellphone ko. Ayaw ko ito dalhin yung camera. Baka masira. Come here, miss. Come. Finally, recipe, which is good. Kailangan lang silang magwiwi. Yun lang. Tignan nyo ang saya. Tignan nyo. Ang saya. Ang saya ng monkey, eh. The monkey is happy. The monkey is happy. The monkey is happy. Yours. Oh my god. Look, Misty. You're shiny, mates. Come here. Come here. Come. Gabi na guys, tingnan mo. Naglalaro pa. New Yorker driver is really good when it comes to driving. Not all. It's good driving in the snow. They know how to drive. But this weather, this snow is like slushy ice. Snow, slushy ice. That means it's very slippery. So in the city, everywhere is like a riot. Cars doesn't move, stuck over there. So yeah, that's what happened. In the news, a lot buses, cars, and everything is like accident. And just came in from outside again. Anyway, so nanonood lang ako ng ET entertainment tonight. I guess I'm going to end this vlog. It's snowy day. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.
Which raised more than $1 million. There are many that lost their homes. There are many